any update on my case?
We are on an errand and we decide to pass by.
Well, the case is with the crime officer, and he's supposed to handle everything. But we're also doing our own investigations. So whatever comes out, we'll surely let you know.
Officers, this case is not a joke. It's not a joke at all. My ambitions, future political ambitions are at stake here. And these guys, I said, I believe they are at the campus. They are there. They are students. These are not hardened criminals. It shouldn't take long at all. You just have to do your checkups and make sure you nab them. Because when this video comes out, when it leaks out, I'm in trouble. I'm in a very big trouble.
Well, Mr. Roxy, there's absolutely nothing to fear. Like I said, the case is with the crime officer already, and we're also doing our best. We will make sure that we bring these perpetrators to book. It is our duty as police officers to protect life and property, and that we shall do. Whatever aid you give us, fine.
Yes. Whatever you think I should do to help you, I'm ready. Whatever it is, just tell me and talk to your boss. I was trying to get him online today, but I couldn't get him. I want this case to be closed as quickly as possible. I can't take that risk.
Sure. You can be rest assured that we'll do as you please. And the laws of Ghana must work. I will please beg to take our leave.
No problem. You can go.
call me come here, you don't want to talk to me, stand. So if you talk your mind, give me the reason why you call me come here. You the back. Yeah.
I like you like a brother. So I want to talk to you say the things where minutes they do you. So no do am. Like the way you do.
How are they? How are
I
they?
see you say you too, you did those kind orthotic things. It's not good though. Charlie, for change for better. Oh.
Are they change
Like,
for better?
serious.
No, okay. This be the reason why you call me come here. I'll make a change for better. Okay, what's in my mind now? No be make a change for better matter.
What's the amount?
What in my mind talk be say me, I dey love you.
Charlie, forget that matter. I dey talk
How you
serious
forget
matter
them?
here.
No.
I dey
No,
talk
no,
your
no, no.
life, your life.
No.
No, you dey live for campus. No nice at all.
Okay,
So
me I dey
for
put
change
that one
life.
aside. You the bab. Me I dey talk say I dey love you. You the bab. And I dey check your body in here.
Charlie,
Oh.
forget that. No be the reason why I call you for you. I call you say make I advise you like brother.
Brother matter aside. Listen, before I accept what I dey talk you, I say I love
I'm not
you.
dey interested. I'm not dey interested.
Okay, why you know
I
the
dey
interest?
talk you say change your life. Change your life. This way you dey do, no fit you. You fit you fine boy like this, where you go dey do things. Like
I no dey
that.
understand this thing they talk me make I change my life, make I dey kill person.
I dey talk that like you dey follow this kind bad boys, this yo-yo boys. Where you think
This follow bad boy thing, it be normal everywhere. Everywhere you go, it be normal.
you
But me,
you
I dey
like-
talk you
you
say
like-
no. You no be lie. I dey say I love you. That be what it dey my mind, and that be what I dey talk you. You the bab. It's either you talk me say like
but
this
the
or like
character
that.
wey you get, no, you no fit love anybody.
Hey.
The kind of bad character. When a girl wey go date this kind boys, this yo-yo boys, I no dey love that kind of thing. So that's why they talk you say you go change.
So I be yo boy.
Why
You dey see me do
dress-
yo, I be madman. You dey kill me with love. I dey love you. Why?
Hey,
You dey
abeg,
behave anyhow. You
put
dey
me
talk
down,
like this.
abeg.
Make I know they come.
Abeg, put me down. Change. You go get
Charlie,
better
see. So you know be better.
Agbeko. So now I'm outside and I just left the office, so you can. Okay. 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 You are not part of the case, but you were there when everything started. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, you don't be afraid. They will take questions from you also, since you were there before everything starts. Okay. No, don't be afraid. Okay. In this case, you see, the police, we don't deal with money issue. You get it? That one goes to the courts because it's a civic case. We deal with criminal and other cases. Is your friend? Okay. But have you asked him if he has actually done it? Okay, you have seen everything. He didn't do anything like that. Yes. So the police need to investigate into the case before any action is taken. So, tell him not to run or go anywhere. He should try his possible best and then report himself. Okay. So he was like, no, you relax. He said his friend is a police, so he can misbehave. Oh, you self, you are my cousin. Yes. No, there is no way you do bad thing, then you expect me to support you. The law doesn't permit that. Do you get it? Okay. All right. So you tell him to come to the station. Okay.
Overthinking no dey solve problem. Hey Nina. Yo Nina, what's up? Hey Charlie, abi you know why? Me today I no go lecture so. I dey done. I dey the hostel inside. Hey Charlie, make worry. I swear. I be dem report the case. So the police they investigate. Well, how you father self make wild man. Charlie, if the if the police be professional, they definitely they go fish the people out. You understand? Now they pray make them catch these people. Make Yanga say you be slow too much. Why you go lose yourself, make some bro video you whilst you go knock somebody, you make the video you. Don't be smart oh. You know be there by in fault. They know days and they know days and in my brain day top and when they do on that day. I mean you know say Mickey there he be kiddie, you don't know nothing. So they go lie out, they go use him brain give am no. Okay here. Yeah. Tonight nothing dey me oh. If you can't take me go Basilisa. Okay here, small time. Are you dey come around? Okay here. Then I dey hostel. Okay bye. Small time man. Okay bye.
My sweat, my everything.